Hello everyone and welcome to another Investillionaire special. In this video, we'll be giving a quick update about the SAFEMOON project and token, as well as our price forecast for it. But before we start, like always, we kindly invite you to go ahead and join our growing community and family by smashing the like button, subscribing to the channel, and hitting the notification bell button as well. Now let's go ahead and get started. So we're here on CoinGecko and we do see that over the last few days the price of SAFEMOON has gone absolutely parabolic. So since the beginning last month, over a month ago, that's the first time when we made the call about SAFEMOON, we asked people to maybe consider making a bet. And so far the bet has been extremely successful. So I think around the time where we made the call, the price was close to the all-time lows. So since then, you can see now the price has already done 15x returns. So that is absolutely wonderful. We cashed out on the initial investment and we cashed out on profits. And right now we do see that the price has gone absolutely parabolic and it is also going down. So if we take a look closely, we do see the spike that happened around April 19th. So the price went from 0.00000018 all the way up to 0.000009. However, as you can see, there's a lot of fluctuations going on at the moment. And then there was also a massive dip in the price. So the price kind of crashed from 7 there until it went down until 3. Okay, and then it spiked up again back to even a higher point, which was, I believe, is the all-time highs. So the all-time highs of 0.000933, which was about 12 hours ago. So what does this tell us right now? Is it still a good idea to invest, well, gamble into SAFEMOON or not? So based on our observation of the market, we do see that the situation right now is extremely volatile for SAFEMOON. Therefore, it will be disingenuous for us to ask you to buy SAFEMOON at this point, especially that you have seen that it can actually crash. So with that being said, this is really a sword, a two-edged sword. So on one hand, right now, it depends on your situation, right? So if you got in early on SAFEMOON and you have secured your profits, secured your initial investment, then you have nothing to lose at that point. So you could have taken parts of your profit and then with the remaining, you just ride the wave, because at the end of the day, nobody knows. We can tell you that SAFEMOON is going to do 10x, but we're not certain of that. We can see the fluctuations in the price. So it will be disingenuous for us to tell you that the price of SAFEMOON is going to skyrocket even more. But that doesn't mean that it can't. Now SAFEMOON has over 1 million holders. So it is being covered by a lot of influencers, and it has not yet reached the peak, we believe, because when it's going to be listed on more exchanges, so specifically when it's going to be listed on Binance, it's going to be accessible to a lot of a larger audience. Right now, a lot of people that have bought it have really done a lot of digging to figure out how to buy it, because buying SAFEMOON was not so easy for the majority of people. So with that community support right now, SAFEMOON can actually skyrocket. We do not say that it cannot go up. It can go up in value tremendously, but for us to invest our money at this stage right now, it is not worth it for this project. Why? Like if at this point in time I had no initial investment in SafeMoon, I would not consider buying it at the moment. Now we could be wrong. It can go up tremendously, but it's not worth the extra risk for us. And the reason for that is the current market valuation for SafeMoon. So if we take a look on their website, we can see SafeMoon.net. We do see the current market cap. So the market cap at the moment is sitting at 2.8 billion, and this is actually now less. So when it was at an all-time high, it has actually crossed the 3 billion market capitalization. Now, for a project that was created a month ago to reach a market capitalization of 3 billion, that is a good thing and it is a bad thing at the same time. So why is it a good thing? It's a good thing because it means that there are a lot of people, a lot of community support behind this project. So right now, as you can see, it has more than 1 million holders of this token. So what that means is this project is loved by the people. The people want this project to go higher. They're holding on to it. They're buying to it for some reason. So one of the reasons, that's why this is one of the reasons that we believe that SafeMoon can go up higher in valuation. So like I said, this is a two-edged sword. So on one edge, you have 1 million people that are supporting it and growing. So this might become actually the next Dogecoin. It has the potential to become the next Dogecoin because it has reached 1 million holders within 1 month. So if we compare that, if we do take the hypothesis, now again, remember, this is just speculation at this moment. If this is going to be the next Dogecoin, then we have the potential for the market cap to increase. So let's take a look quickly on CoinGecko on the market cap of Dogecoin, which is also kind of a meme coin. Now you might argue that actually SafeMoon, they're providing an exchange, they're providing more value, and that might be true, but again, it's a 1 month old project. So look at the market cap right now for Dogecoin. Well, Dogecoin has a market cap of $38 billion. So let's just round it off. Let's say, let's say 30. Let's say this is 30 billion just for our ease of analysis perspective. So, and then let's assume that people want this to go to the moon, right? These 1 million holders and maybe more, they're all saying, yes, Dogecoin to the moon, so SafeMoon to the moon as well, and SafeMoon has a better chance. So that puts us, let's say this was 3 billion. So 3 billion to 30 billion, that's 10x. That's 10x return. So 10x return on your investment if this is really going to the moon and the community support holds. So then that means that if you invest today in SafeMoon, you put in $100, the maximum that it can go is 10x. So that's gonna be 1,000. You put 1,000, you get 10x, so you get 10,000. And for us, it's just not lucrative enough, right? Just take a look at what happened over the last month. It has already went up by this much. It has already done a 15x, so it's not the best idea to get into it right now. If you have SafeMoon, we suggest that you take some parts of the profit and then ride the wave, the potential wave that this coin can go 10x more. That's the maximum that we can see it. However, at this point, if we had $1,000 and we want to take a gamble, we're not going to take a gamble on SafeMoon. Why? Because SafeMoon has already exploded. Look at the charts. You can see to better clearly see it. Take the 1 year, you see the parabola right there. Now, if this was 1 month ago, yes, sure, we would tell you take the gamble, put a few $100s in and take the gamble. And that's exactly what we have did at that time. However, now this is not 1 month ago. This is after 1 month after the parabola has happened. You can put in your money at this stage, but there is a high risk of you losing this money. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just what we see and what we observe in the market. We can be completely wrong, and within the next month, the price is gonna go 10x more. However, based on our experience trading on the crypto markets, we do believe that there are a lot of other projects that are just coming up and that you can get in at a very low price. So imagine you can get into another project, not SAFEMOON, something else, and it can do the same. It can do 15x, and it's going to be much safer for you because at that point you're going in at a very low price. So eventually, if the project succeeds, it's gonna blow up. So that's our point of view in it. If we had $1,000, we'll actually look into other cryptocurrencies that have the potential to explode. And if you are following us on this journey on our channel, then for sure make sure that you enable the notifications and the alarm bells as well, because we're actively searching for these hidden gems. Not every time it's gonna succeed, but all we need is just one of them to succeed. So for example, we're gonna put a few $100s so into a few coins that we have found during our market research, and we only need one of them really to blow up. So if we put a few $100s into one project and it goes 15x, 20x, that already covers the losses that we can make on the other cryptocurrencies that are going to fail, because nobody is perfect. Nobody can make a call 100% calls that are accurate all the time. So keep that in mind and stay tuned. We're actively researching the markets, and we have a lot of coins that are actually now in our watch list. We are observing the markets, and there are many more opportunities to come in the future. So it is okay if you missed the ride on SAFEMOON, but just keep your eyes open for the next cryptocurrencies. We're going to be sharing the opportunities as they come, and we believe that it is in your best interest not to invest in SAFEMOON at the moment. But again, this is not financial advice. We're not financial advisors. This video is made for entertainment and educational purposes only. We might be wrong. The price can go up, but like we said, the risk is not worth the reward at this point in time. The risk was definitely worth the reward 1 month ago, but not at this point. There are many other projects that you can get in at a much lower price point that can potentially explode. And always remember to not take our advice without doing any of your own research. So do your research, see the market, see the momentum going. So right now we told you there are two sides to the equation. First side, are you willing to risk your money for a 10x return potentially or not? If you do, then you have a strong case, because SAFEMOON has proven that it has the support, it has the community, it's loved by the community. So it might actually has a very good chance to continue going up. But for us, we decided not to participate. Anyways, for us, we already have SAFEMOON. We're just riding the wave and we see what happens. Even if the price crashes again, like you saw here, the price crashing, like imagine if you went in at this point and then the price crashes and it never bounced back again. What would you do? You would have been out with a loss of 80%. That's not very good, especially given the parabola. So with this being said, we hope that you guys enjoyed this video. We'll keep you updated on the most recent projects that we find, and if we find any hidden gems, you make sure that you stay tuned on our channel. So thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.